Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today. Yes, today, in the daily newspaper on a Thursday, August the 18th, 2022. I've told you earlier we have no regular additional. This is the summer edition. Yes, summer edition with a lot of puzzles, crossword puzzles. Um, but also I believe six Sudokus. We have the first one, the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars Sudoku, tectonic with 4 stars. This one I'm not interested. Binary 10 by 10 and another tectonic, 2 tectonics with 4 stars. Well, I won't do them all. 4 of them I will solve. I will solve the 2 stars, the 3 stars Sudoku, and then a binary and a tectonic. But first, Sudoku with 2 stars. Well, it's been a while. Sudoku with 2 stars. This will be number 5034, I believe. 5034. Yeah, 5034. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare, 26 printed digits, it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. All right, so let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in the middle row. So no 2 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes in this big square. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. So no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this column. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the first row. No 3 in these 3 boxes here. 3 in the last column, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7. And look, we have a 4 in this column. So no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. The 5 and the 7 are left. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We have a 7 in the third row. So no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 it goes there. Then. How about? Let me see. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. Oh wait, let me start with this 3 in the first row, the 3 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row be 3 in the middle row. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the third column, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column, so the column B3 in the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the last row, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. Right. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in the last row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. And 8 in the third column, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square, it could be here, could be there. 3 missing numbers in this third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8. And look, we have an 8 in the third column. So no 8 in this box. We have 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column. So no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. So the 2 numbers left are the 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. Alright. Then 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 7. We have a 6 and a 7 in the first row, so no 6 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 6 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in the second column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the second column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the middle row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 1 in this column. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. We see another 1 in the first row, so no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 in this column should be there. Wait. And now I cannot continue with the 1. How about 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 4 and a 7. We have a 4 and a 7 in this row, so no 4 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4. 8 goes there. And then 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in the first column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. To the 4, we have a 4 now in the third column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in the second column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Alright. Then 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright. Then. Let me see. Can I count the 9s? No. Interesting. 1, 9, 5. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 and the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 157, 157. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 157. Okay. Well, 157. Okay. How about those 3 missing numbers in this big square? 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7. The 8 is missing and 9 is missing. 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9. And look, we have an 8 and a 9 in this row. So no 8 and a 9 in this box. The 8 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. So 1 digit left in the last column for number 6. So we have a 6 in this row. 6, last row. The 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column. So no 6 there, 6 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. 1 box left in the first column for number the 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Oh, 1 box left in this row. The middle row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. The 8 is missing. 8 in this column. 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 and a 9. Now we have an 8 here in this row. So no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Do we have all the 8s? And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 8. Now we have a 9 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 9 and a 7. Now we have a 9 here in this row. So no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Can I count? And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 9. Oh, wait. 2 missing numbers in the last row for the numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this column. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 7. Oh, wait. We have all the 1s. And all the 1s are used. I can not see. No. We have 2 missing numbers here in this big square. The 1 and the 5 are missing. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. Now I can count. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 1. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about these 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers? The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. No. Yeah, it's 4 and the 5. But now we have a 2 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2 and a 5. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4 and a 5. Now we have a 5 here in this column. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 4 goes there. 2 numbers are left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column. Middle column. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 4 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 5 in the middle column. So no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. I'm well pleased with the time. Is this really a 2 stars? No. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time, yes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, a 3 stars Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.